Hey, what's up guys, hope you all are doing fine. You are watching tech segment and today's video will be a water test of the Samsung's Note 10 Lite. Before we start our test, let me tell you that the Note 10 Lite doesn't come with any water resistant certification. So it's gonna be quite interesting to find out whether this device works or not after placing it under water for 10 minutes. So let's do it. As you can see, our device is working perfectly fine. And here I am going to use Coca instead of water to make this test more interesting. As you can see, our device is completely dipped in Coca. Now let's start the timer. Finally 10 minutes has completed. Oh my god. Let me just clean it, then we will do some basic tests. Our under display fingerprint scanner is working perfectly fine. No issues there. The touch is also in perfect condition. So after placing our phone under water for 10 minutes, the phone is working perfectly fine. I haven't felt any kind of issues till now. The speaker also sounds good, which means the Note 10 Lite is a water resistant device. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one.